Watch out!
Merry Christmas, mini trucks.
Grandpa, our Christmas presents have disappeared.
Well, maybe they were stolen.
It's a real mystery. Mini trucks, it is time to pay a visit to Santa Truck to ask him all about this. Everybody to truck control.
Let's roll for adventure!
Dear Mini Trucks, your mission today is to find out exactly why Santa Truck didn't deliver any Christmas presents this year.
But we don't know where he lives.
Santa Truck's house is behind the biggest tree of the highest mountain in the North Pole, so that means you can't miss it. To find it, you'll be provided with binoculars.
Yes! This way we can see everywhere, and especially very far.
That's right, and you're now ready to go. I am programming the launch pad to send you to the North Pole. So, are all of you ready for takeoff? 4, 3, 2, 1, mini trucks, go!
Yippee! We made it to the North Pole! Now then, it's time to find Santa Truck's house.
Found it! Found it! I think I see it. Look right over there.
You're wrong, Alex. Grandpa Ted said we first have to find the biggest tree of the whole entire mountain. Look! There, I found it! It's the biggest tree on the mountain!
Super! Now let's go!
Grandpa Ted said that Santa Truck's house is hidden right behind the giant tree.
Wow! That must be Santa Truck's house.
Here we go!
Ho, ho, ho! Who goes there?
Hello! We are the mini trucks! Hey, Santa Truck, why didn't you deliver Christmas presents this year?
Every year, flying reindeer pull out the sleigh, allowing me to deliver the presents, you see. But, well, they've caught a cold.
How can we help you?
Oh, my word! Now that's what I call a statement worthy of the biggest of trucks.
It's Grandpa Ted!
Hello, Santa Truck. How are you, mini trucks?
Grandpa, Santa Truck's poor reindeer are sick. And we want to help out, but we don't know how to fly.
Don't panic, dear mini trucks. I have everything you'll need in my tune-up tunnel. Now get it! With the helicopter unit, you can help Santa Truck to fly his sleigh and deliver the presents to everyone near and far.
Here we go! Yippee!
Oh, great job there, mini trucks! Thanks to your big help tonight, every child will have their Christmas presents. Ho, 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 ho. Here are presents for you, and presents for you. Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas to everyone!
Bravo, mini trucks! To thank you, Santa Truck has entrusted me in giving you all very special presents.
These are the reindeer of Santa Truck. So cool!
Awesome!
But tell me, with all these adventures, haven't you maybe forgotten something in the meantime?
Oh, you're right! We forgot our Christmas presents! Go, Alex! You're gonna make it!
Hello there, mini trucks. Are you stretching your wheels?
No, Alex just wanted to be like Tony Truck.
Yep, but but there's a long way to go.
You know, Tony Truck happens to be a good old friend of mine.
You are friends with Tony Truck? He's the greatest stuntman ever! How do you know him, Grandpa Ted?
Well, it was during a film shoot that we did a very long time ago. Bravo, Tony Truck! You're the best stuntman that ever existed.
This movie's gonna be a big hit, Ted.
Wow. But Grandpa, were you really in a movie?
Sure I was. Now let's all head to Truck Control!
Yahoo! Let's go for our adventure!
For this mission, you are going to have to train with Tony Truck to become wonderful and real stunt trucks yourself. But before you begin, listen to one last very important thing.
You mean like we mustn't forget our snacks?
No, Jeremy. For your own protection, you'll be wearing a special helmet.
Whoa!
Let's go now, mini trucks! I am programming the launch pad to send you over to the skate park where Tony Truck is. 4, 3, 2, 1, mini trucks, go!
Wow! So cool!
Hey there, mini trucks. Your Grandpa Ted informed me of your arrival. I also hear you want to become apprentice stuntmen then?
Yeah! So then that means we can be an action movie?
That's right, but tell me, what do you think you might need to succeed with your stunts?
Me, I know. Don't be afraid and just go for it. Go!
Alex is upside down again with his 4 wheels.
He is. I think just going for it isn't his thing, you guys. You might just discover the stuntman's secrets if you succeed in this task. Now watch me closely. Here we go. That's the job well done.
I got it. We should go very, very slowly.
It's my turn!
No, I'm going first.
Oh no! Don't go together! And that's why I warned you. It's your turn, Lisa. Can you do better than your brothers and sisters?
Well, let me think about it first. I think I've got it! Bravo, Lisa!
But how did you do it?
If we go too slow, we don't have enough momentum. And if we go too fast, we take off and finish up rolling and crashing. We must watch our speed at all times.
Yes, that's correct. You have just found out the secret of stuntmen.
Can we try again, Tony Truck?
But of course, go ahead. Yes, the ramp is all yours.
Whee!
I got it!
Me too!
Bravo! Very soon, you could be starring in action movies like real super trucks.
Awesome!
Thank you, Tony Truck! We're up! We did it!
We finally have discovered a stuntman's secret. What's this? Piece of cake.
It's so easy!
Congratulations, mini trucks! For this, you have earned your great stuntman's cup.
Alex, I already told you it's impossible. No, but it's written that it's true.
And I say it's true as well.
What seems to be the problem here, mini trucks?
They don't believe me that the red berry cordial oasis is real. Tell them, Grandpa.
Alex is correct. The red berry cordial oasis is very real.
Ha ha! I told you guys that it exists. Tell us, Grandpa Ted, how can we go there?
The oasis is in the middle of the desert, but to really go there, you have to be a master of the sand.
Oh, pretty please, Grandpa, can we all go?
Of course you can, mini trucks. Everyone to truck control.
Woo-hoo! Yeah, let's go!
Dear mini trucks, you must know it's very difficult to reach the red berry cordial oasis.
But why, Grandpa?
To cross the sand desert is a real challenge, you see.
Really? Although it's not too difficult to drive on sand.
I'll let you see for yourself then. I am programming the launch pad to send you into the middle of the desert. Ready to launch now. 4, 3, 2, 1. It's time to go, mini trucks.
Whoa! Wow! Look at that! It's the Red Berry Cordial Oasis!
It's awesome! Go for it!
There are cacti everywhere. We can't go down there.
Yes, we can. Look, we can go around. There are fewer cacti on the sides.
Oh no! I'm stuck now! You're stuck in the quicksand!
Grandpa Ted!
Come on, we need to get him out of there now. Jeremy and Alice, go get the equipment. Everything we need is in my tune-up tunnel. With this suction hose, Alex should be out of the quicksand in no time. Lisa, we're gonna give them some tempo. Hee-ho! 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 Well done, mini trucks. What a brave thing you did.
Thank you! I'm really glad you were here. But if we can't get past on this side, how will we get to the oasis?
We have to go in between the cacti.
You all better watch out for your wheels, mini trucks. On a slope like this, the sand can be very slippery.
We're gonna slide through slowly then, Grandpa. Wow, I call this control. Wow! The red berry oasis! Oh, goodness! You okay, Jeremy?
I guess I didn't totally master the sliding on the sand.
Don't get discouraged. At least we ended up getting here.
Hey, look over there. What is that? They look like straws.
Well done, mini trucks. You made it here at last. That means you get the Masters of the Sand Cup. After your hard work, enjoy your earned treat. Add your straws, ready, and go.
It's so good!
Oh, yeah! Have you ever heard about the orange juice ocean?
No way! That doesn't exist!
Yes, it totally exists!
Oh, boy!
Bum bum bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum.
Grandpa, we have a problem! Yeah, a really big problem.
Actually, it might not be that big.
What's the problem, mini trucks?
Somebody has stolen my teddy!
Stolen?
Yeah, we have looked everywhere for it.
Are you sure the four of you have looked absolutely everywhere?
Yes, Grandpa.
Well, you were not very observant then, my dear mini trucks.
There's my teddy!
I know exactly what you could do to learn to be more observant. Let's go then, mini trucks. Everyone to truck control. To resolve your little problem, I am going to send you to a dear old friend of mine, Detective Truck.
But why is he called a detective?
Well, his job is to search for any clues in order to solve mysteries.
Oh. So then is he going to teach us how to find clues?
Exactly right. You're going to help Detective Truck to find a cake that has disappeared from the restaurant. And now, prepare yourselves for lunch. 4, 3, 2, 1. Mini trucks, go!
Welcome, dear mini trucks. I am Detective Truck.
Hello!
As you all may know, a very large cake has disappeared. Here's a picture of it.
Oh, that looks delicious!
All right, mini trucks. Now we all have to go and look for some clues.
But how will we do that?
Now you all have to be very observant. We must start searching for things that are connected to the missing cake.
Look, I found something. Here are some crumbs.
The crumbs must have come from the cake. So if we follow the path of crumbs, the cake should be at the end.
That is very good, Lisa and Jeremy. Let's follow the crumbs.
Oh no! The path of crumbs has stopped right here. What will we do now?
Do as you did earlier. Look around carefully.
Look over here. That looks just like cake icing.
Maybe the missing cake is just behind that fence.
Oh, another glob. I'm sure that we have to keep going this way. Oh no, the missing cake is not here, and there are no more globs.
We have to be quiet and listen for clues. Huh?
Huh?
I think I might have heard something. I'm pretty sure it's the sound of the thief who's eating the cake.
Let's count until 4, and then we jump out to get him. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Grandpa Ted?
Then you're the one who stole the cake?
No way! I didn't steal the cake at all, mini trucks.
It was only a surprise. We got it for you, mini trucks. Do you know what day it is?
Of course! It's Alice's birthday!
A very happy birthday, Alice.
Yes, a very happy birthday, Alice.
Happy birthday to you, Alice!
And now, as a small gift, what do you think of the 4 of you each receiving the Super Detective Truck Car?
Hooray!
Bravo, dear mini trucks! And who wants a piece of cake?
Me!